Is your Acura TLX key fob not working reliably? For 2015-2023 models, the most common culprit is a depleted CR2032 battery. Dim LED lights on the fob, reduced operating range less than 30 feet, or completely unresponsive buttons are key indicators. Replacing the battery is a simple DIY task that restores full functionality, including remote locking/unlocking, panic alarms, and trunk release. Ignoring these signs can lead to inconvenient lockouts and unnecessary dealership fees. Note that post-2023 models may use digital key technology, but this video focuses on the physical fob battery replacement for the 2015-2023 Acura TLX. To replace the battery in your 2015-2023 Acura TLX key fob, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, gently pry open the key fob casing at the seam. Be careful not to damage the internal circuit board. Once open, locate the CR2032 battery, which is held in place by clips. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's securely clipped in. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol if there's any visible corrosion. Finally, reassemble the fob by snapping the two halves back together. Test the fob to confirm it's working. Remember, forcing the case open can damage the fob, so proceed with caution. If issues persist after battery replacement, professional servicing may be required, especially for older models potentially still under warranty for reprogramming.